What it means to be a fellowship-trained spine surgeon is that you have the years of training to safely operate on the entire spine. My name is Dr. Zachary Tan. I'm one of the spine surgeons here at HROSM. I completed my residency in Toronto, Ontario, and I subsequently completed 1-year fellowship at Sunnybrook Health Sciences Centre in Toronto. The reason why I chose spine as a specialty is because I think it's a wonderful marriage of patient counseling, technical precision, as well as technological innovation. I chose orthopedic surgery because I wanted to effectively improve my patients' lives almost immediately with an operation. The type of treatments that I like to offer patients would include surgical operations to improve symptoms and improve quality of life. What attracted me to HROSM is the wealth of medical and orthopedic expertise available. I think we have the singular purpose to better our patients' lives. You should seek the advice of a spine surgeon if there are continued symptoms with passage of time, especially with irretractable back pain or neck pain. If there's any difficulties with regards to the use of your hands, any numbness or tingling sensations that you're experiencing that shoots down the neck or the back to the legs or arms, I like to offer the Hampton Roads community 3 different things. The first one, and the most important, would be compassion. Every patient has a personalized story, and I would like to take it upon myself to listen carefully and to determine the root cause of their problem and help navigate them to the best treatment options available. Secondly, I'd like to exhaust all conservative management for any of these problems because nobody should get an operation unless they absolutely have to. The last facet of my practice would be my commitment to ensure that the patient has the best possible experience and the best technical outcome.